Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to do a very simple video. I just want to show you my setup for my Canon M50. It's a very minimal setup, but it works very well. So I already have videos, but the new things that I have, it's the new NPF battery from Sony and the Relacart wireless mic. Those are the things that make all the difference on the setup, especially the NPF battery, because this one here that I have installed, it's high capacity and also has an output port, USB output port, which let me charge another device if I need. Just suppose that this wireless microphone is low on battery and I need to charge it. I just pick the wire from the NPF battery and charge this case is the receiver, and also power the Canon M50. This is just a suppose because this Mi card has 7 hours battery, so I've been recording like 5 or 6 videos already with it without any charge, okay? This is just supposing. And as you can see, it's a very simple setup. The only thing I have to remove is the NPF battery. Everything else I leave it as it is. The microphone and the base plate for the battery stays on the cage, and it's simple. I just pack everything, put on my bag, and it works like a charm. Having said this, guys, I really hope that you like this little video. Please don't forget, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you receive new videos, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!